This review is of Crest Restore Enamel, alcohol-free plus fluoride, anti-cavity fluoride rinse. Restores weakened enamel. Now I'm 57, and for the past few years I've been going for this kind of stuff. Usually if you look at the ones that have see-through bottles, it's purple in color. And my dentist doesn't believe in mouthwash. She thinks it's a hoax. But I know without any shadow of a doubt that mouthwash actually helps. Because if I don't use mouthwash, if I just floss and brush, I end up having my periodontal gum disease get worse. And so I've learned that the right way to do it is to floss and brush and use mouthwash. And when I went to see the dentist a few weeks ago, she said my teeth looked great. So I'm not saying that it's this. I've only used, I think, a bottle of this. However, although it may only be a bottle, it still did a great job. I did not have any problems with it whatsoever. No problems with my gums or my breath or anything like that. It was great. I mean, it's just a standard mint flavor. Here's the backside. Restores weakened enamel, protects against cavities, strengthens teeth, refreshes breath. I'm very glad that I got this on sale for $4. It was definitely worth it, this Procter & Gamble product. And so I would say this is every bit as good as the Listerine I've used and the stuff that resembles it from Kroger and Meyer. Um, I haven't had any issues with it whatsoever. No flare-ups with my gums. So yeah, um, I really do believe that the Restore Enamel mouthwashes, in general, not all, in general, help. The only exception would be that one super value one that I tried that was horrible. But other than that, I'm going to give this, I'm going to put it at the same rank as, like I said, Listerine and the Kroger and Meyer brands of the Restore Enamel kind of mouthwash. Thanks for watching. Washing, get it? And have a great day.